Pati trabaho. Kung nagdurusa ka at hindi mo talaga gusto yung trabaho, kinakatakutan mo ang tuwing Lunes dahil papasok ka na, find another work. Do something else. But do not waste your life doing something you hate. Doing something you don't enjoy. So enjoy whatever you do. Whenever you do it. And when you have the choice, do what you enjoy. Of course, needless to say, within godly limits. Have what you want. And if you cannot have what you want what you have para ka sumaya. Ecclesiastes 11:8. Even if you live to a ripe old age, you should try to enjoy each day because darkness will come and will last a long time. Siyempre, ang tinutukoy na darkness is death. Sabi niya, mamamatay ka, kaya habang buhay ka, kahit matanda ka na, mag-enjoy ka. Hindi na sabihin, uy, matanda na ako. Ano ngayon kung matanda ka na? Mag-enjoy ka pa rin. Habang buhay ka pa at kaya, mag-enjoy. Don't just count the days. Make the days count. And celebrate and enjoy every moment. Because tomorrow, baka wala ka ng moment. Ito lang ang sure, yung hawak mo ngayon. It is very, very important to purpose to enjoy.